Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So today it's a plant video because I had to give you some update about my plants, and this is my gorgeous sedum, and it has all been grown from the leaves that was dropped from the mother plant. See how beautiful it looks. This is how it looks, and here I would like to mention the mother plant, the mother. I don't know how many generations earlier. I think about 3 generations earlier the plant was given to me by my sister-in-law, again Rosa. Thank you. Now this was a pot full of succulent. I don't know, most probably it's the sedum again, and it was a pot full, and suddenly it started rotting and dying. Not exactly rotting, the plant suddenly started to dry up, and I couldn't understand why that was happening. Suddenly I see tiny bumps, and here they are growing into teeny tiny plants. Beautiful. Now that's my dollar plant, which was in a pathetic state because a small girl had plucked all its leaves, and finally after about I think 3 or 4 months, this is how my plant looks, and I am very happy to share with you the update of my dollar plant. Look at it, how gorgeous she looks. Beautiful. Now here I have gold everywhere. This is my golden sedum. Look at it, how golden it has turned. A beautiful sedum. But I forgot from where I had purchased this. Was it the flower show or from some individual stall? I cannot remember. Anyway, it's doing just wonderful. And already I have some baby plants developing from the leaves that were dropped from this particular plant. And the best part about this golden sedum is that the more you expose it to the sun, the more golden it's going to turn. Otherwise it is just a lovely green. See how pretty it looks. Now let's move ahead to my string of hearts, the variegated one, and this is how it is doing right now. It has just been watered, but I think I watered it more, so the pot seems to be a bit heavier than it should be. So I am going to place it in the sun so that the soil dries up. This is another sedum, all leaf grown. Now the sedums that you are going to see in my care will mostly be the leaf grown ones. This is also a leaf grown one, but it is about 2 years old most probably. The more you expose it to the sun, see how powdery lilac it has turned, and this portion is green. Now let's talk about our geraniums. Yes, this is the plant that had bloomed recently, and I was so happy. Still the flower is there. This is the plant again given to me by Rosa. This was, I think, in the month of October she had given me when I had gone to my mother's place for pujas. And after that flower is about to end, another floral stalk has come up, and yes, I am so happy. This is the plant, a healthy plant. I wish you would remain so healthy even during the monsoons. Now this is another pot which I used to show you, along with the pot of geranium which I showed you just now before this one, and this has become so tall, and the best part is it has given up a flowering shoot. A bud has been shot up. Oh my god, I'm just waiting to see the color of the flower of this particular plant because I don't know the colors. She had given me a whole bunch in the month of October, but all of it died. Only this two remain, and they are blooming, and this is about to bloom. This will be the first flower that it is going to give us. It's a huge pot. I think that is the reason the plant is also looking so gigantic. But I am happy. I'm just waiting. I think in 10 days time, if it is sunny, we are going to see the color. And now this is another pot of geranium. It has about 4 or 5 plants growing in here. This she had given me when I visited my mother's place in the month of December for my niece's birthday, and they are also doing extremely well. Some are potted here in the same pot, and some I have shifted to the individual tiny plastic pots. And I think this chap is going to be the first one to give up a flowering shoot. Anyway, let's wait. I'm very happy about the geraniums right now. This is the plant. This is the pot, and it has about 4 plants. Yes, now this is the LiQWYD, and here I can see some activity. This is the plant. This was a pot full of LiQWYD which was given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti, and during the monsoons I started losing plants one by one, started rotting actually, and this is the remain, and it is doing just wonderful. And look at my chrysanthemum, which is still in bloom. Actually, the plant has been laden with so many flowers that it is drooping downwards. Look at the flowers, all white in color, snow white. All snow whites are there. So thank you, my dear friends. I hope you liked the video as much as I did showing it to you. Thank you once again. Do share, subscribe and comment. Do share it with your friends and family members, and do keep watching Plants Crochet Cooking and more. Bye bye for today.